pasado. Yay! Congrats! Yeah, punta tayo sa loob. Kunin natin yung license mo. Congratulations! Pwede ka nilang papasukin dyan mga pagbalik. Let's go make a right here, please. Ito, let's go make a right. Parang konti nag-exam na yun dito. Walang tao. Let's go straight, please. Oh, ito na. Start na. You show me your full stop and a check. Push mo. Let's go straight. Let's make a right turn, please. Ito yung first stop mo, yan.
Here?
Yan, that's your proper stop. For pedestrian yan.
Okay.
Tapos yung pangalawa for incoming vehicles. Okay, ano yung golden rule mo? Go when clear. Yeah, sige, you keep going. Keep looking lang. Keep looking. Huwag kang titigil hanggat hindi ka naka full turn. Pag nag-stop ka, tapos ano, biglang may dumating, for sure, bubusinahan ka nun. Mamay-nasan ka. Okay, stop sign. Let's go make a right turn, please. Yan pa lang nagbabagsak na sila if you hit the curb. Kaya make sure wag kang lalampas doon sa kabilang lane, wag mo rin tatamaan to. So what do you do when you make a right turn? Sundan mo yung left line mo. Dapat naka-align siya sa left na gulong mo. So, sino mauna sa inyo nito? Ikaw, kasi you're turning right, di ba? Whoever goes straight and right goes first. Let's go make a right. Yeah, tingnan mo doon, no? Sige, you keep going lang. Keep steering, tingnan mo yung line. Ayun, no? Huwag mo lalampasan yan. That's a good turn. Di ba? Tapos huwag kang pupunta dyan. Bike lane yan.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Okay, so you just go to your correct speed lagi. Let's go straight, please.
Dito po 25, right?
25.
Straight?
Yes. Pero with the presence of children, 15 yan mamaya. What do you mean by presence of children? Labasan, nandyan sa labas sidewalk yung mga bata. And including school buses. Okay, we go straight. Dapat yan pag nag-green yan mamaya, alis ka agad kasi unahan ka yan.
Okay.
Pero pag inunahan ka niya, then you stay behind the crosswalk. Huwag kang pupunta sa gitna. Technicalities yung mga yan. You keep it safe. Ayun. Tignan mo, inunahan ka niya, di ba? Okay lang yun. Basta, importante, alam mo how to keep it safe. Let's go straight. Galing ka na mag-drive. Kunin lang natin yung license talaga. Let's go straight. Again, if someone's crossing, dito ka sa end of the broken line. Never dito. Kasi that's intersection. Okay, what if it's a blinking yellow, nobody is crossing? Stop or go?
Go.
Go. Only when someone's crossing.
Okay.
Let's go straight. Let's go straight. At the traffic light, let's go make a left. Tignan natin kung ano mga constructions, kung meron sa daan. Stop light, let's go make a left turn. yun, no, tignan mo. Okay lang yan. Ano yan? Trabaho ng examiner yan, magpusina. Kasi hindi siya nag-turn signal. So that's dangerous maneuver. Hindi natin alam na papasok pala siya. Let's go make a left turn mamaya when it's good. Let's go make a left, please. Up! Huwag kang papasok dyan kay yellow. -1 yan, wrong lane ka. Pag pumasok ka dyan sa kabila, wrong lane. So, babantayan mo lang yung yellow. Tama yung move mo, it's just too sharp lang siya.
Okay.
Huwag mo siya isa-sharp para hindi ka ma-minusan. Kasi yan, pag natatama mo yung line sa kaliwa or kanan, -1 yan, lane use. So, mag-accumulate siya. Hanggang 15 lang yung allowed sa'yo. Let's go straight. Mamaya, bawal ka dito sa gitna nito. That's crosswalk. I mean, that's intersection. Ito rin, no, another intersection to. So dito ka lang before the crosswalk. So bali, mostly technicalities lang yan. Basta isipin mo, bawal ka mag-obstruct. So pag tumigil ka sa gitna ng intersection, obstruction ka. Pero pag nagle-left turn yield on green ka, okay yun kasi pwede ka umalis doon. Hindi ka doon maiiwan. Pag left turn yield on green, worst case scenario, ang daming sasakyan, tapos biglang nag-yellow na siya. So yung yellow na yun, prepare to go. The very first red, alisan mo yon, lahat na naka-stop. Ikaw lang ang pwedeng gumalaw. Kasi nasa gitna ka. So huwag ka malilito, huwag ka magpapanik. Let's go straight, huwag ka magmamadali. Okay, what is your speed limit dito? 35. Yeah. Dito business area, nakasulat doon kanina 35. Ito, if children are present, when children are present, it's 25. Ito yung school. So this time, it's still 35. O, kaya underspeed ka. Meron ako estudyante dito, magmula doon hanggang doon, 25 siya. Binagsak siya. Ni-examiner. Kasi sabi niya, underspeed yung 25, sabi niya, it's 30 or 35. Kaya you have to watch out. Ayan na, go or stop. Alright, saan na lang doon? Doon, sa kabila, doon. Pwede ka pa, basta, oo, bibigyan mo ng distance. Yan, wag dito, intersection yan. Dito ka, oh. Basta bibigyan mo siya ng proper distance. Gulong and a bit of the road. Pero pag ikaw ang nandun sa unahan, yung line ang basis mo. Yan. Oh, at least nakita na natin tong train na to. Hi, Miss George. Technicality. Nice. Okay, change lane to the left. May double train kasi dyan eh. Biglang bababa yun. Meron pa palang isang kasunod. Kaya you have to make sure na hintay mo siya mag-turn off before ka pumasok. Especially pag ikaw yung nasa harapan una. Kasi ikaw lahat ang may desisyon. Kung sumusunod ka lang, ang nagdidesisyon sa'yo yung nasa harapan mo. Pero do not cross pa rin if it's still blinking. Let's go make a left turn. Sino babantay mo yan? Baka tumawid yun. So before ka gumalaw, naka-traffic check ka na dyan. Naka-scan ka na, di ba? Kasi pwede yan, mamaya pwede nilang yung scenario mo magkaroon ng kasabay na pedestrian. You'll never know. Pag nagpa-practice tayo, wala. Baka pag actual mo, yun, let's go make a left. Huwag kang magmamadali. As long as may parating yan, nahabulin nila yung green nila. Yan, nahabulin nila yan. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-go with speed. Bantayan mo lang yung traffic light mo. Ayan, wala na, di ba?
Yeah.
Automatic yan. Alam mo na yan. Let's go, make a left na yan. Then you go to your yellow. Huwag mong tatapakan yung yellow. Ayan na yung speed mo, 30. Oh, ito na yung bike lane mo. Malaki na yung chance nating pumasa. Basta make sure you do it properly. Let's go straight, please. Tandaan mo, ang over the shoulder is while it's still solid. Yan ang requirement nila. Huwag mo silang pagsasabayin dito. Okay, let's go straight lang. Yan, ikaw mauna dyan. Going straight and right. Sige lang. Keep going. Speed limit. Speed limit, mabagal ka na. Naka 20 ka na lang. Okay, ito na yung command mo. At the next corner, let's go make a right. Right. Nice. Oh, you go down to 10. Ito, papasok ka dyan. That's merging lane dapat. You have to cover the bike lane. Yun ang purpose nun. You have to merging into the bike lane is covering the bike lane. Para aalis ka sa main road. You cover the... Pag hindi mo kinover yun, babagsak ka niya. So it's okay lang yan. Okay, let's go make a left. Please. Left turn. You really look, tingin ka talaga. Tumingin ka talaga sa left and right mo. Pag medyo hirap ka mamaya na makita sila, nakikita mo yung windshield, pwede mo siyang tignan mo, you can see through yung windshield. Yan kikita mo, see through yung windshield. Let's go make a left. Minsan kasi mahirap eh. Tapos yung pag-alis mo, 10 miles. 10 miles yan. You have to get out immediately. Pag nasa gitna ka na, you don't need to traffic check na. Alis na agad yun. Para hindi ka maabutan if may darating. Okay, nice. Traffic light. Let's go make a left. Yung isa na lang ang kulang. May nervyos ka ba? Yun lang. Let's go make a left, please. Di bale, basta may if kahit na may nervous ka, kasi lahat naman ang nag-exam nila nervous eh, kausapin mo yung sarili mo. So, you explain sa sarili mo, ano bang gagawin ko dito? Okay, left turn here, don't green. Iniisip mo yan. Parang math lang yan, may formula, di ba? Let's go make a left. Okay, ang purpose dito is do not hit the line. Let's go make a left. Okay, you go to your correct speed. This is 30. Business area to. Ito yung mga businesses nila. Keep going straight. At the traffic light, let's go make a right, please. Let's go make a right. Very good. Correct speed up. Tingnan mo yan, baka pakialaman ni examiner mo yan. Let's go straight, please. Dikit na agad dun sa line mo. Yeah, didikit mo yan. That's your correct lane eh. That's your correct side of the lane. Change lane to the left. Speed limit mo 35 ka dito. Kailangan mas mabilis ka sa nasa likod mo. Mabagal ka, naka 25 ka lang. Tingnan mo yung nasa likod mo, mabilis. Okay, change lane to the right, please. Okay, good. Another change lane to the left. Tingnan mo mabuti yan, ha. Turn signal ka muna. You have to indicate muna. change lane to the left or keep left, please. Ito. Okay, tandaan mo yun ha, you have to be faster than the vehicle behind you. Kailangan, kasi pag nag-slow down ka dyan habang tumatawid ka sila, mas mabilis na sila sa'yo. So bibilisan mo ng konti para even kayo. Ano na lang tayo, ina-adjust ko na lang yung mga galaw mo eh. Pero pag nakuha mo yung last, okay ka na. You can go na. You can go on your own. Yung exam lang, medyo technical siya. Hindi siya basta driving lang. Kasi nakalista na yung mga mali doon. Tinitignan na lang nila kung ginagawa mo or hindi. Yan o, exam sheet mo yan mamaya natin. Is coming ka left? Yeah, proper execution. Babantay mo yung yellow. Babantay mo yung yellow, ayan yan. Yung mata mo ganyan. Pag nag-yellow na yan, prepare. The moment pumitik yung red, alis. Yan, naka-red light na mo. Or, kung libre na, wala nang sasakyan niya. Ayun o, yellow, prepare ka na. Ikaw na yan, hindi na yan mag-go kasi red na yan. So ganun ang dynamics yan, huwag mo siyang aantayin. Kasi pag inantay mo yan, magte-turn green na yon, green na naman sila. Basta pumitik na yung red, naka-red light na sila. Nag-change, nag-change color na yun. Nag-change traffic light na. Kumbaga from green to red na rin sila. Stop sign, let's go make her right. Okay, after the van, let's pull into the curb. After this van, pull into the curb, please. Dito, pull into the curb. Huwag ka mag-stop sa main road dito ka. Ayan. Oh, don't forget yung kabig mo sa kaliwa. Kabig sa kaliwa yan. It's too close. Yan, you have to keep it parallel. Very good, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Basta huwag mo kakalimutan yung kabig sa kaliwa. Or else gaganon ka, oh, diretso ka. Dapat kakabig ka to keep it parallel. Let's go back up. Very good yan, oh. Okay, proper position and exaggerate your traffic check. Very good. Yan, oh. Stop the car. Let's pull out of the curb. Tapos, let's go make a left here. Tandaan mo, ito, this is a roundabout. Diba?
How do you
Ganun lang.
Oh.
Yeah, basta may turn signal ka. Ayan, let's go straight, please. Yun. Tapos, you follow the yellow arrow.
Straight.
Doon, yellow arrow, ayun. You go right, turn right. Follow the yellow arrow. Yun ang drive test lane mo. Basta you be careful, huwag kang tatama ng curb. Let's go make a straight. Oh, curb. Sige lang, dito ka lang sa may towards the left mo. Okay, yan. Tapos you follow it lang, then you park. Okay lang yan. I mean, part of the part of the journey. Okay, kailangan sign mo muna siya. Sign mo yung ano. Meron ka bang nervyos? Sorry.
Meron na po ba kayo student na nakabangga ng kotse before?
Wala. Meron yan. Meron mga close calls. Pero ano yan? So umpisa pa lang, you have to see it na eh. Kita na namin yan. So before siya mangyari, wala na. Naagaw na yung manibela or naka-brake na kami. Okay, so number 1, ang San Mateo may mga 5 major maneuvers yan. You have to identify lagi yung stop signs mo. Okay, when I say you identify your stop signs, meron kasi yung magdi-discuss pa tayo before tayo mag-drive. Meron tayong stop signs where you need to stop 1 time. Meron yung you need to stop twice. Yung twice, it's a merging intersection. Meaning yung gitna hindi humihinto. So we have to make sure na mag 2 stops tayo kasi merging. Ang basic mo, kikita mo to. Itong pillar mo na to, you go connect it to the left line outside. Kikita mo yung windshield wiper mo, yung square niya.
Papa.
You connect it to the line, right side line of your lane, right lane or right line of your lane. So yan, nakadikit lang yan dyan. That's how to keep your car in the middle. Ito naman dito sa left. That's how you keep your car in the middle then. Yan. So either or lang yan. Kung connected yung line mo dito, yan o, yellow, di ba? Kino-connect ko lang yan. So pag lumalayo siya, kinakabit ko yung manibela. Small corrections naman dito. O, tingnan mo. Small corrections. So yan o, yan mga yan. Anyone who goes straight and right will go first. Anyone who goes left will have to yield, tapos go when clear. So hindi basta, hindi malayong malayo sa Philippine driving. Diba? May mga rules talaga dito. Pedestrians are always right, or they always have the right of way. So pag ang tayo pedestrian, we can cross anywhere. So hindi mo kailangan ng cross mo to cross. Basta make sure lang na malayo pa yung sasakyan at hindi ka basta-basta magko-cross at malapit na. Anan kasi bikers. Sa left side, if it's changing lanes, ganun din. Over the shoulder for the incoming vehicles. Let's go make a left. Okay, so signal. Put it in drive. Put it in drive. Okay, let's go change. Pull it. Let's go pull out of the curb. Signal, left. Mirror. Over the shoulder. Meron pa, di ba? Yung stay put lang. Paglampas niya, over the shoulder ka ulit. Over the shoulder ulit. Wala. Release the brakes. Release the brakes. Yeah. Dito konti. Tingin sa likod. Tingin sa likod. Nasa main road ka na. Okay, now you follow yung yung itong pillar mo ididikit mo siya doon sa line sa Pag wala kang nakikita, you always stop on top of the word stop. Okay, let's go make a right. Wag pa. Dapat di mo kita yung line. Stop. Turn signal right. Let's go make a right turn. Doon ka, second stop. Let's go. Release the brakes. I'll help you out muna. Dito ka mag-stop. You check. Left, right, left. Wala. Let's go na. Granny driving. Yung yung tinuro ko second. Yeah, that's very good. Now, you look at your line. Yung side mirror, yung pillar mo, dikit mo dun sa yellow. Dikit mo sa yellow. You put gas na. You put gas. Punta ka sa gas. Sige lang. This is now 25. You align it, side, itong pillar and then the line.
Pag po ba nakaline, ibig sabihin hindi mo nakikita yung yellow line?
Hindi. Para siya nakaganyan lang. Para siya naka-align lang. Nakadigtong lang siya. That keeps you in the middle. Let's go straight. Okay, this one, you keep. Let's go na. Let's go straight. It's a green. Keep moving.
Straight ba?
Yeah, let's go straight. Okay, that's how you keep your car in the middle. Tingnan mo, nawawala ka na. So it means malayo na yung line. Kung gumalaw yung lane mo like this, pag kumaliwa siya, kakaliwa rin yung kotse mo. Therefore, yan lagi ang gauge mo. Pag umalis yan dyan, didikit mo lang siya all the time. Sige lang. You put gas. Off the gas ka lang.
This is so hard.
No, you keep breathing. It's alright lang yan. Basta no abrupt left or abrupt right. No abrupt braking. No aggressive accelerations. This is keeping your car in the middle. Alright? Can you see the lines? That's good. Up, malayo ka. So you correct it. Malayo ka. Tingnan mo, malayo yan. Okay, let's go straight. Let's go straight lang doon. Dito lagi, mas maganda dikit ka sa line. Itong pillar na yan, yung letter H. Ayun na yung letter H sa dulo. You hide the line. You hide the line. Doon pa, a bit more. You hide the line. Sige lang. Tapos didiretso tayo. Okay, tingnan mo yung letter H mo. Diba pagdating mo sa dulo, letter H. Ayun yun na lang ididikit mo sa, ganyan lang siya Ito yung letter H mo. Ididikit mo siya doon sa line outside. So pag lumalayo kang ganyan, lumalayo yan, ito yung letter H mo. It means ididikit mo lang siya ulit. Kaya may mga minor corrections kang ganyan. It's okay lang yan. Okay, let's go left. Turn signal left. This is your first left turn yield on green. So lahat ng straight and right will have to go first. Dito ka lang sa gitna. You brake. Yeah, it's alright. Then you look at your traffic light. Green, okay lang yan. May 3 seconds ka pa. Mag-yellow na yan. Don't panic. Okay, let's go. Make a left. Yeah, let's go na. Yellow to red na yan. Okay. Left is to left. Sige lang. Dito ka lang. Hintayin mo lang siya. Put your brakes on. Tutulong-tulungan kita. So, you're going to be alright. Pillar. That's your dividing line. Diba? Yellow line. You keep your car on the correct side of the lane. Kasi your lane, bike lane sa gitna, parking lane sa right side. Okay, it's still green. Pag nag-yellow yan ngayon, 1 foot, do not stop anymore.
Do not stop.
Yeah. Okay lang yan. You have to build up your confidence. Okay, this is 35, so you go more. It's alright. Just keep your car in the middle. I mean, on the left side of the lane. Driving na siya, diba? Let's go straight. It's alright lang yan. Keeping your car in the middle, yan ang goal natin for the meantime. Tapos yung mga ibang maneuvers, it will follow na. Basta naiintindihan mo yung nangyayari sa daan. Okay, if there's a blinking red sa railroad, may railroad crossing na mangyayari. Yeah, ito pag wala, keep going. Yan na yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. That's paasa brakes yan. Let's go change lane to the left. Signal left, mirror over the shoulder. Okay, then you go middle. Brakes. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Keep moving. Correct lane, left is to left. You can't stop kasi green yun. Diba you cannot stop in the middle. That's your 30. So you go 25 to 30. You correct your car. 9 and 3 your left, 9 and 3. Yan. And then constant lang yan. Lagi mong tinitignan yung mga yan for the meantime. Yeah. Nawawala ka. So that's autocorrect yan dapat. Autocorrect. Pag pag umikot siya, ko-correct mo rin siya. Autocorrect yan. Hindi mo siya pababayaan doon tapos ko-correct mo. Palaging every time you need to correct, pwede na.
Okay.
Let's go. Wala ka na So yung yellow lagi ang marker mo. Yan. Keep your car in your correct position all the time. Slowly, kasi that's more than 10. Never make hard braking. Never make abrupt left or right or sudden accelerations.
Can't stop on bike lane.
Yeah, you cannot stop on top. Pati sa crosswalk, intersection. Those are all fails. Kahit na may license ka na, huli ka pag nakita ka ng police.
Okay.
That's a violation. Kasi you're obstructing. But you need to control. Parang yan, sige, you go to your, speed limit mo is 30, so you go 25 at least. Yan, titignan mo siya dyan. Pag na-reach mo na yung 25, you go off the gas na lang kung ayaw mo siya dagdagan na. Para hindi na siya aakyat. So, nakaganon lang siya. Basically, nakaganon lang yung paa mo. Hanging lang siya, hanging. Yung heel mo, nakasandal lang yun sa floor.
Okay.
Kaya, wag ka magre-rest sa mismong pedal or else paakyat ng paakyat yung speed mo. Okay, keep going straight. Keep going straight. Basta keep controlling your car. Bantayan mo si 10 feet mo. Paa mo, alis na sa na yan, di ba? Ang ano yan, rule of thumb when it comes to the green to yellow, pagdating mo sa isang lugar, nakita mo green na siya, there's always a chance that it will turn on you. Pero pag if you saw it turn from red to green, matagal pa yun. So yung ano, yun yung mga pwede mong gawing basis na matagal pa to. Pero pag nakita mo na siyang green, okay, you're looking forward na sa 10 feet. Pag pumitik yan, let's go straight. And you're more than 10 feet, alam mo na ang gagawin mo, stop na lagi yan. Okay, let's go straight. Keep your left side of the lane kasi medyo naging narrow na siya. Yan ikaw mauuna dyan. Tignan mo yung speed mo. This time, change lane to the right. Paa mo sa brakes na lang. Pero you're not braking. Change lane to the right. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder. Mag-yellow na siya. So stop ka lang. Okay, I let you go. Let's go make a right. Okay, release the. Sige, steer. Follow your yellow. Doon ka lagi. That's an oversteer. You always should be guided by the line. Yun lagi ang purpose mo, pupunta ka lagi doon. So, ano mo siya, i-guide mo yung kotse mo. Stop. Ano yun? That's unsafe driving na yun. Let's go straight, please. Palaging go and maintain your proper distances. Hindi yung walang involved na hard braking or sudden stops. Palaging ito, 2-point braking. So number 1, you release your brakes. Tapos slowly brake. Ayan, bumagal na siya, diba? Release ulit. Sige lang, hanggang sa line. Okay, ulitin natin yan. Okay, let's go straight. Check. Laki na ng improvement natin. It's just that we need to control. Ayan, ibig sabihin may tumatawid. No, don't stop dito. Don't stop, doon ka mag-stop if you need to, kasi wala kang stop sign diba? You don't have to stop kasi wala namang tumatawid. Wala ka na sa correct lane mo, nasa right side ka na. That's bike lane na. Yan, itong line mo sa kaliwa, you're constantly following it. Dikit ka lang yan. Huwag kang hihiwalay dyan. Okay, we're going to make a left dito. Release the brakes. Then go to the proper distance na. Now to turn signal. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Isang steer. Middle na tayo. 1 steer. Sige, keep looking at the line. Do not release yet. Sobra. That's too late na. Pero it's okay. Once you get the concept, madali na yan. Huwag ka masyadong dikit. Tignan mo yung kotse mo. You can look at the side mirror para makita mo yung mga parked cars kung dikit sa'yo. It has to be 1 inch. 1 inch dito, kotse mo and your car. Okay, let's go straight. Let's keep going straight. 1, 2, 3. And kasi pag sobrang dikit ka dyan, hindi rin, baka may magbukas ng pinto. Yan involve ang brakes dyan. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-maneuver dyan na mabilis or else babangga ka. Only enough. Wala ka na sa lane mo. Only enough. Hindi yun full turn. It's just a slight left turn. Nagbigay ka ng full na steering. So bibigay ng kotse mo full steering din. So ang gagawin mo, half lang. Gagawin mo lang granny driving yan. Granny. So konti lang bibigay mo. It's not a full turn, it's just a slight left turn. Di ba? Kala mo lang taon lang nagdadrive, That's good. 30 ka dito, so you're under speed. You can go 25. Yan. Pay attention dyan, paminsan-minsan, click, tingin agad sa harap. Yan. Para alam mo yung, kasi yan kasama sa exam yan. deductions yung mga yan. Tingnan mo siya, nakadikit lang sa line niya. Ganon din dapat tayo. Nakadikit din lang sa line. Minor constant corrections. Hindi ka nagko-constant correction. Again, mortal sin yan sa driving. Hindi pwedeng swerving ka. You have to be in total control of your car. Pag medyo gumalaw siya ng konti, balik mo siya agad doon. Kasi meron ka ng marker eh. So there's no way na nagdi-drift ka. Okay, slow down ka lang. Basta may mga curves, slowing down yan. Let's go. Curve. Tignan mo, dito ka lang lagi. Kasi that's also a dangerous maneuver. Pag natamaan mo yan, babalin. Tung ka. Let's go, make a right. Freeway. Let's go na. Doon sa line. Cover the line lagi. That's your correct line. Let's go make a right after niya. Let's go make a right. Yeah, let's go make a right turn. Ano yan? Stop and go yung mga yan. Always. Freeway na tayo ha. Number 1, look at the line. Look at your traffic light. Di siya on. Okay, turn signal left. Just keep the right lane. Look at the side mirror. Huwag kang pupunta sa gitna. Keep your right lane. Dito ka lang. Keep looking at the side mirror. Front and side. Front and side. And then you go 50. Yan. Dahil mabilis ka magpatakbo, dito ka dapat. 50 ang minimum mo dito. Cancel turn signal. Okay, dito straight lane lang yan. That's too much correction. Minor lang. Kasi pag nalito ka, nandun ka na sa kabila, mapapangga ka na. Use your speed this time. Bakit nandun ka na? Look at your lane, look at your pillar. Hindi pwedeng pabayaan yan. Constant correction. Hindi ka pwedeng pupunta dito, hindi ka pwedeng pupunta doon. Alright. Nasa freeway na kami Ay, nga pa. Slow down lang. Huwag kang ano dyan.
Straight?
Yes, we go straight. Uy! Look who's in the freeway, Hi, Miss George. Let's go straight. Okay, look at your lane lagi. Look at your lines. Keep it all the time. Hindi ka pwedeng swerving. Alright. Okay, pag sinabing constant minor corrections, ganyan palaging bumabalik ka sa gitna. If you corrected left or right, balik lagi sa gitna. Okay, change lane to the right. No more over the shoulder. Sige lang, accelerate. You have to accelerate. Pero you have to look. Hindi ka pwedeng you're moving in.
Here lang, not...
Yeah, wala nang over the shoulder. Side mirrors lang. Yan, sige lang, keep going. Yung mga lines mo, guides yan. Keep right. Dito ka lang. Sige, pasok ka dyan sa right lane. Keep right, have to control it kasi ngayon mabilis na yan. Hindi na pwede. Magaling ka na mag-drive kay mama mo. Pero control. Pag may mga curbs, ang paa mo nasa brakes. May mga curbs yan kasi baka hindi mo ma-control, diretso ka doon. Pag straight, gas na ulit. Let's go straight. Pupunta na tayo ng Daly City. Let's go straight. Kasi medyo paasa brakes, pero do not stop. Meron ka pa ring speed limit. Now uphill, put gas. Pag uphill, put gas. Pag downhill, put brakes. Okay, so this is a merging lane. Ayan, yung sign mo. Turn signal left. Keep right lang. Keep looking at the side mirror. Meron? Wala. Wala. Oh, keep looking pa rin. Kasi you're merging eh. Oh, let's go. Change lane to the left. Mirror. Meron? Wala. Wala. Oh, diagonal. Diagonal. Keep looking. Hindi ka pwedeng hindi naglo-look. Oh, cancel turn signal. Hindi ka pwedeng hindi tumitingin kasi you are merging. Kumbaga, wala kang right of way to. Kanila lahat yung right of way. Okay, now, use your pillar or itong windshield wiper mo para gitna ka lagi kasi yan na lang ang kailangan mo dahil nasa freeway ka na eh. Oh, look at your lines. Yung lines na lang. Focus ka sa lines. Keep going straight. Focus ka sa lines and your speed. You have to be 50 miles at least. Keep looking. Sige lang. Yung side mirror, I mean, yung ano mo, yung mga markers mo, tignan mo, you're constantly downhill, saan ang paa?
Great.
Yan, sige lang. Downhill, constant downhill yan. Sige lang. Correct it. Yan. Tapos, pag medyo mabagal ka na, release mo lang siya. Yan. 55. Let's go. Let's go. You have to keep moving. Pag nag-50 ka na ulit, okay. Sige lang. Okay, this time, pwede ka na sa gitna ng lane mo kasi wala nang bikers dito. Okay, let's go straight. Sige lang. Minor corrections yan, kasi nag-curve na yung lane mo pag hindi ka nagko-correct dyan. You're too slow now. You're too slow. Go speed up to 50. Yan. Ninenervous ka, don't forget to breathe. Diyan ka na naman. Use your pillar. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo ginagamit yan. Ina-align mo lang siya doon sa left line. Speed again kasi uphill. Sige, you can gawa mo na siya. Consistency lang yung hinahanap ko. Kasi pag consistent ka na, it means safe ka na. Ayan diba? Uy, nasa freeway siya. Curve. Paa mo sa brakes, but do not brake. Gas na ulit. Yan. Parang nag-off the gas ka lang, pero you're anticipating na baka may nag-stop doon. Parang gano'n lang. Okay, put gas. Yeah, gas. Kasi you're under speed. Pero yung control, tingnan mo constant minor correction, gumaganyan ka ganyan ganyan, sinusundan mo lang yung dito, sundan mo yung yung wiper mo. Sundan mo yung wiper mo. Itapat mo lang siya doon sa they seem to be touching doon sa line in order for you to be in the middle all the time. Tapos pag dito ka naman, ayan, tingnan mo, you have to adjust. Ayan, keep adjusting, ganyan ganyan lagi ang adjust niya. Adjust sa kanan, diretso. Kanan, diretso. Kanan. Hanggang sa masasanay ka na dyan. Nagko-correct. Pinababayaan mo yung kotse mo. Parang yan, pinababayaan mo siyang to go wherever it wants to go. So, ikaw dapat ang mag-control niya. Kasi ang kotse mo, diretso lang ang gagawin niyan. Pero, hindi pa rin siya complete na diretso. Meron kang guidance lang. Your speed ulit. Look at your speed. Look at your lane. Okay, constant minor corrections. Sige lang, don't slow down, don't slow down. We are on our way to Daly City. Yay. Moving. Keep correcting. Hirap mag-drive, diba? Let's go! Nice. Yes, video na tayo. Makita kay mama mo. Okay, number 1. Constant corrections lang yan. Up. Sige, that's the curving. So, laging isipin mo, if it's a downhill, pasa brakes. Pasa brakes na yan. Huwag kang magbe-brake ng sobra or else babagal ka na todo. Okay, please change lane to the right. Wala nang over the shoulder. Turn signal, tingin. Wala. Dito lang oh. Dito lang lagi. Yun, diagonal. Pa mo sa brakes kasi nasa downhill. Sige, keep braking lang. Dahan-dahan. Turn signal to the right kasi we're merging into the right. Oh, brake ka kasi it's a turn. Brake lang yan, not to stop, slowing down lang. Brake release yan, brake release. And let's go straight. Follow your markers lang. Yung letter H mo doon, nakapatong sa yellow. Oh, constant correction. Speed. Naka-brake ka. Let's go. Oh, yun yung dynamics mo ha. If you're on a downhill, pasa brakes. Uphill, kailangan mo ng gas kasi slowing down. Okay, merging lane. Let's merge. Turn signal left. Keep right. Look at the side mirror. Yeah, wala ka na ibang titignan dyan. Wala nang over the shoulder. Dito ka lang. Keep right lang. Stay here. Kasi yan, that's your safety. Keep the right lane. Magiging one lane na lang yan. It will merge into one. Pag magalaw, cancel turn signal. Keep your car in the middle. Dito, pag tinignan mo dito, 1 inch lang your car in the line. So pwede mong pitik-pitikin yan. Click, tingin doon. Click, tingin doon. Huwag kang magko-concentrate sa harap. Minsan-minsan titingin ka rin sa ito. Okay. Tingin ka sa left side. Uy, ganda ng view. Dito ka lang. Oh, downhill. Sana ang paa. Yes. Dito ka lang. Constant minor corrections. Constant minor corrections. Kasi yung lane mo hindi straight. Curving siya gano'n. Sige na. Let's go. 50 minimum. Yan, curve siya ulit. Huwag ka pupunta dyan. Dito ka, oh. Kasi curving yan. Let's go straight. Mga students ko lagi kong tinatalag dito. Sa ano kami? Sa up. Correct. Wala ka sa correct lane mo. Dito ka lang kasi this is a merging lane. So you keep the left lane. Habang yung mga nagmo-merge, they keep the right lane. Correction. Okay, correction. And on your right side, the Flintstone house. Okay, keep your speed. Up, not too much. Acceleration yan. Basta lagay, apak konti, huwag mamadali. Kasi maririnig na yung makina mo. Keep your corrections. Alright, keep going. Yung speed mo, mabagal ka na. You have to go 50 minimum. Okay, corrections ka lang, corrections. Let's exit. Slow down. Yan, sinutulungan ka ng kotse mo. Turn signal left. Sige, turn signal. Alright pala, sorry, right. Then 35 yung speed limit mo. May mga police dyan. Sige lang, keep moving. Basta within 30 ka lang. Tapos dito dahan-dahan ka na. Slow down ka na dito. Yan. Under surveillance yan. Okay, park the car. Pag sinabing park the car, use your side mirror. Sige lang doon, oh. Tingnan mo, side mirror, itututok mo lang siya doon sa line. Pag nakatutok na yan, okay, stop all the way to the right. All the way. Sige, pag all the way talaga. All the way. And then pasok doon. And then you fix it. And then you fix it. You have to keep it straight lang. Yan, and keep it straight. Keep it straight. Yung kotse mo. Straight na. Parang doon sa inyo rin. Pero baliktad lang. Kanan. Stop the car. Park the car. Let's go. Okay, so car control ulit tayo. Nag-freeway na kami kahapon. Okay, let's go na. May sasakyan sa likod. Put it in drive. Sige lang, put it in drive. Let's go. Keep the right side always. Yon. Okay, how many stops?
One.
2. Merging. Merging. For pedestrian yung una. Tignan mo. Okay, let's go for the second stop. Yan. Meron? Wala. Let's go na. Wala. Pero you have to keep on looking. Keep on looking. Yan. Huwag kang basta-basta papasok dyan. And then keep the correct lane. Change lane to the left. Mirror. Over the shoulder. Sige. May police. Okay lang yan. Sige. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep moving. Okay. Hide the line. Then cancel. Oy. Driving na kami. Let's go straight, please. Sige na, keep going. Sige, keep going. May dalawang lane yan. Magkasabay kayo ba? Speed limit. Okay, so gamitin mo rin sa pillar mo and si windshield wiper either to keep your car in the middle. Let's go straight. Proper distance. Proper distance. Kailangan kita pa rin yung gulong. Tapos yung parang kahapon lang pareho. Still yung distance ng braking meron dapat enough para hindi ka parang hard braking, parang last minute braking. Ano lang yan, minimal adjustments lang yan. Let's go straight. Always follow your lane. Huwag kang mag-change lane. Especially sa intersection, do not change lane inside the intersection. Parang yan you're going away from you're going out of the lane. So keep your car inside your lane lagi. Madali lang yan ano lang yan. Change lane to the left, please. Walang turn signal, walang over the shoulder. You have to check all the time. Tapos hide the line. Igaganyan mo siya lagi kasi ang tendency ng gaganyan yung kotse. So always control your speed. Dapat palaging naka-straight yung steering. Okay, we're going to make a left, please. Ano yung speed mo sa intersection? May speed yan. 10. 15 is too fast na. Pag may license ka na, pwede na yon 15. Pero sa exam, 10. 5 ayaw nila ng 5. Masyado mabagal. So, let's go na lang. Yan na, Go to the middle. Tapos pagdating sa middle, all the way na. Pero you have to look at the line. Yeah, sige. Release. Let's go straight. Keep your correct lane. Correct lane is just beside the line. Ganyan lagi para meron kang bike lane on the right side. Tapos watch out for any cars pulling out. Ang gagawin mo, stop lang. Tingnan mo, nandito ka na sa lane ng bike lane. You go there, dun sa line lang. Use your pillar. Yan ang guide mo lagi. connect it to the line outside para hindi ka nawawala sa lane. Yeah, keep going straight. Pagdating mo dyan, dikit ka na naman doon, no? Yan. Para meron ka laging distance from the parked cars. Ganun na naman dyan. Dikit ka na naman doon sa line. You're using your pillar. Yan, oh. Blinking red, stop or go. Here. Blinking red here. Go. 10 feet. 10 feet. Lagi ang basis mo. Let's go straight. Okay, traffic light. Let's keep left. Okay, turn signal agad yun. We're going to make a left turn. Hide the line. Ayun, oh. Oh, mami, pwede na ba? Nawawala-wala lang sa lane. Pero driving wise, meron na. Meron na tayong ano, yeah, ano na lang yan. Kumbaga car control, yung idea kasi nandyan na. Yung idea lang na you have to keep your car in the correct lane lagi. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng nagsuswerve. If you're swerving, then you're using incorrect lanes. Dapat nandun ka lang sa correct lanes mo lagi. So, you're just using, let's go make a left. Ayan o, middle. And then steer. You know, tignan mo yung yellow mo. You're using your pillar to connect it to the yellow line. Yan lang lagi, ganyan ka lang lagi. Pag yan, sinusundan mo yan, hindi ka na mawawala sa lane mo. Let's go straight. Hindi ka mawawala sa lane mo. Tapos sa exam, hindi ka madideduction. Kasi ito bike lane lagi yan. Pag napunta ka dyan, I mean 1 point deduction ka. Oh, red light. Oh, yan yung mga. Let's go straight, tinitignan mo. Hindi pwedeng diyan ka lang nakatingin. Doon. Ahead. Medyo malayo yung tingin mo. O, pag ganyan, you go slow. Kasi hindi kayo halos kasya ni bus mo. Yan. One at a time lang. Basta keep your car. Hindi ka pwede dito. Dito ka lang. Kasi alam agad na examiner yan. Kasi they're too close to the parked cars. Alam nila agad yan. Ganyan, that's the best. That's the proper. Tapos ganyan, gagalawan mo yan. So, bigyan mo siya ng enough space to work with. O, yan, hayaan mo lang siya. Tapos mag-move ka na pag hindi na siya gumagalaw. Then you move. Sige lang, you move. Hang on to your ano. Ayan, ilang stop? 1. Let's go straight. May stop sign on the left. That's 1 stop. Basta yan ang ano natin. Kasi we're back to car control na eh. Let's go straight. Yung driving, meron na yan. Alam mo na mag-drive. Pero you have to keep it proper lagi. Yan. Pag pupunta na siya dito, dikit mo na siya doon sa line. Dito magbe-brake ka na. You hide the line. Okay, when do you go? Oh, you need to traffic check yan ha. Oh, pwede na yan. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let's go na. Kasi wala na siya doon. No? Yan ang we're actually working with situational awareness. Hindi na kita tinuturo mag-drive. It's all on situational. Dapat alam mo na yung nangyayari sa daan. O, dito pa lang nag-slow down ka na. Kasi tignan mo malalaman nila yan pag kasi ganyan, tignan mo ayan, 1 point deduction na agad yan. Let's go straight. Kasi meron siyang recoil na kasama. Konti lang na recoil. Tapos it has to be smooth lagi. Huwag ka nang titingin dito sa side mirror. Kasi hindi na yan applicable dito dahil wala ka sa freeway. Dito ka lang sa pillar mo and then sa windshield wiper. Okay, we go straight. Kasi wala ka ng line dito kadalasan eh. Nawawala yung line. Okay, dito braking ka na. 2 point. Release mo. Then brake again. Diba? Much effective siya kasi Pag isa lang, gumaganon talaga yan. So gawin natin yung parang kahapon, 2-point braking. So ito lahat to, puro practice na lang ito. It's more on enhancing yung mga car control. Braking, steering, let's go straight. Speed limit. Okay. Let's go straight. Tapos turnings na tayo mamaya. Okay, go straight please. Dito pupunta ka dito Correct lagi. Yan, dyan ka lang. Yung mga may markers, dyan ka lang sa ibabaw nila. Kasi dito is bike lane mo. Hindi ka pwede dito. So you stay on your left side lagi. Yan ang magiging ano mo. Up, keep going. Walang tumatawid. Pag may tumatawid lang, then you stop.
Okay.
Pag ganyan, you don't need to slow down. You keep going. Mabagal na yan kasi wala kang sasakyan sa harapan. You have to go maximum pag wala kang sasakyan sa harapan. Okay, proper braking, 2-point. Brake number 1, release mo. Brake number 2. Too early. Tinitigan mo yung distance mo pa rin. Yan ang brake number 2 mo. So pag sinabing 2 brakes, 2-point braking, wag mong mamadaliin yung second brake. You're basically going to your correct distance na. Pero wala na yung momentum mo nun. Mabagal na yun. Okay, let's go straight, please. Now, keep your side of the lane lagi. Tingnan mo siya, keeping the correct lane lagi. Okay, speed bump. 5 miles. Less than 5. It's not a stop sign. Yan. Pag nag-stop ka dun, babagsak ka nila. Kasi it's not a stop sign. You just need to go super slow talaga. Okay, identify stop signs. How many?
1.
Check. Go. Yan, ganyan lang yan. Stop, check, go if you came in first. If you came in second, paunahin mo yung first. Tapos, you go ahead na rin. Yan, magaling ka na mag-drive. Brake. Go to less than 5. Tingnan mo yan, That's still 10. So you have to make sure na kasi yung impact niya doon sa alam na alam ni examiner yan. So basically nagpa-practice na tayo sa exam mo. Okay, let's go straight. How many?
1.
2, 3. Let's go straight, please. Not too fast. Not too eager to stop. Basta malayo pa lang, nag-off the gas ka na. Kukontrol mo yung brakes mo. Kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng parang biglain. -1 ka lagi doon. Ang exam mo hanggang 15 lang yung minus mo. Or deduction mo. Ayan o. 1 point deduction. Lampas ka sa line. Hindi ka pwedeng lumpas dyan. Huliin ka ng pulis dyan. Kasi that's crosswalk. Basta lang. If you don't see the line anymore, stop ka na. Yan lang ang natin. Yan lang ang focus natin ngayon. Number 1, identification. Proper stopping. Marunong ka na kaso nga lang, you need control. Okay, let's go make a left. Use your roundabout. Proper stopping. Dapat hindi mo kita yung yield sign. Check. Alis na agad. Let's go make a left. 10 miles naman ito. 10 miles.
10.
If you don't need to go yan, tignan mo. You have to steer. Hindi ka pwede doon. Yung mga solid lines mo, you cannot just simply cross it kasi it represents a gutter, parang curbs. So sa exam mo, bawal yan kasi parang binubunggo mo yung pader. Okay, let's go straight, please. Okay, let's go make a right turn, please. How many stops?
2.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Steer ka na agad. Steer na agad. Steer na agad. Yan, dito. That's mandatory yan, mandatory. Stop and check. Pag wala, alis na. Oh, huwag mo na ibabalik. Hayaan mo lang siyang gumalaw. Then, you release. Diba? Kasi if you keep on steering, wala na yung timing mo. Maano siya. Palaging either under or oversteering na siya. Okay, we go straight line. Okay, let's go straight. Yan, napapantay mo yung mga yan. You have to check their actions. Kasi if they're moving out, you have to stop. Okay, keep moving, mabagal yan. You have to go 20 proper speed. Okay, at the stop sign, let's go make a left turn. Tignan mo, pag hindi mo na nakita yung line, you look left na agad. Ayan na, 1, 2, 3, then you go na. Then you make 90 degrees. Okay, yun. Go all the way na, all the way. Put foot on brakes. Yeah, then put foot on gas. Yun. Every time you're turning, nasa brakes yung paa. Let's go make a left again, please. 2 point. Number 1, release. Release mo. 2 point, that's the first one. And this is the second one. Ilang stop yan?
1.
Doon ka titingin. Huwag mo nang tignan ito, doon na lang. Let's go make a left. Para hindi ka nahihirapan kasi nalampasan mo na yan. Let's go make a left, please. Okay, oh, yung steer mo all the way na agad. Pag nasa gitna ka na all the way. Okay, wait for it, then release. Up, too late. Let's go straight, too late. You have to look at your lines lagi. Hindi ka pwedeng lalampas dyan. Okay, keep going straight. Okay, if you don't see the line, doon na agad. 1, 2, 3. Kasi mabilis lang yan. 1, 2, 3. Pag mabagal ka dyan, nabusinahan ka sa likod, -1 ka na agad doon. Yan, if for the exam lang, maarte lang sila sa exam. Pag nakuha mo yung license mo, relax ka na. Okay, look at your speed. Check speed lagi. Okay, we keep going straight. Tignan mo siya. Jogging, pero nasa bike lane pa rin. Stop sign. -1 pa rin yun. Let's go straight kasi it's too late na braking. Saka you're using 1 point, 2 points. 2 beses ka magbe-brake. Yung second brake mo, yun na yung wala nang momentum. Kaya naka-practice na. Keep going straight, please. Ganyan lang talaga sa beginners. Tingnan mo, di ba may stop sign ka na doon? Dito pa lang, you're contemplating na. Brake number 1, release the brakes. Yeah. Tapos yung line, that's brake number 2. 1, 2, 3. Ang purpose ng brake number 1 is to kill the momentum. Let's go make a right, please. Bike lane. Mirror over the shoulder. Okay, foot on brakes. 10 miles. Pasok sa bike lane. Cover the bike lane. If you don't cover the bike lane, pagdating sa exam, bagsak na agad yan. 1, 2, 3. Straight and right. Straight and right. Yung mga straight and right na yan, more on, kumukuha ka lang ng angle mo. Tignan mo, Okay, keep going. You keep going. Work with the speed. Lahat na yan, magkakasabay-sabay na. Keep going straight. Mabagal lang. Keep going. You push your speed para hindi tayo masanay sa mabagal. Too early. Too early yan. Kasi, nagbababad ka sa brakes mo. Yan. Nag-iisip ka na. Let's go straight. It's okay lang yan. Basta, keep on working with it.
Okay.
Dito ka lang. Yan. Ito kasi hindi nakapark ng maayos. Okay, let's go straight, please. Ano ulit yung titignan mo sa line, sa gitna, pag wala? So you keep your car closer to the manholes. Wag na didikit sa ano. Kasi baka biglang magbukas sila ng pinto. So we're too close. Yung braking mo, you don't see the line. You don't see the line. Okay, you don't brake on the first. Palaging alalay lang sa first. Saka 3 cars. 3 cars muna. Practice with 3 cars. Yung braking mo kasi, ano pa siya, kumbaga, needs practice lang yan. Kasi may mga proper stopping points ka. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-stop basta-basta. Kailangan hindi mo nakikita yung line para proper distance. Pag nakita nila, 1 point deduction yan. Pag nasagasaan mo, 1 point deduction din. So pagdating, let's go straight. So, pagdating sa exam mo, maarte yung mga examiner mo. You just need to show them talaga yung proper. Pero dali-dali ng exam. Check your speed. Mabilis na yan. Basta ano lang yung speed limit, yun lang. Okay, keep going. Keep going. They will allow you to go -5, pero -10 mabagal na sa kanila yun. Okay, follow the shape of your lane. Follow the shape of your line. Okay, let's go. Keep left. Signal mirror. Pasok na agad. Tingnan mo. Foot on brakes. Control. Huwag ka mag-brake pa. Huwag ka mag-stop Kaya kasi green siya. Keep moving. Keep moving. Diba? Middle and left. Foot on brakes. Sige lang. Go. Steer. Before it goes straight, release. Let's go straight, please. That's anong tawag dyan? Understeering, kasi binitawan mo lahat. Ibig sabihin, nawala yung timing mo. Let's go make a right, please. Paa mo na naman sa brakes yan. You're controlling everything. Don't stop. Just roll. Don't put it everything pa. Sige, let's go straight. Tinitignan mo lagi yung kung parallel ka parallel ka sa ibang kotse. Hindi ka na parallel, then you have to correct it talaga. Let's go straight, please. Let's go make a left. And then, let's go make a right turn na lang. Yeah, stop sign mo yan. How many stops?
2.
Okay, let's go make a right. Steer ka muna. That's second stop na. Before you go there, steer ka na. Sige, steer mo na. Baliktarin mo na yung manibela mo. Ganyan. Then that's the time na punta ka dyan. That's mandatory. Tapos, you brake. Tapos you check. Pag papasok ka sa mga corners mo, it needs to be checked. Kasi wala kang right of way dyan. Pag nabunggo ka nila dyan, ikaw pa ang may kasalanan. Let's go make a right, please. Yeah, you keep looking. Sa examiner mo, they will keep looking. So if you stop looking, -1 ka na agad doon. Dito ka pa lang mag-stop na mag-check kasi nakapasok ka na. Let's go make a right, please. Yeah, puro technical na yung inaaral natin. Wala nang. Yung driving madali lang yan. Yung technicality ang mahirap. Let's go make a right. How many?
2.
Up, not enough. Not enough. Pwede mong gamitin yung side mirror mo, itapat mo sa curb. Yan, this is enough. Kasi you can see them.
Okay.
You check, wala. You go na. Okay, let's go. Look at your lines. Keep steering. Keep steering. Before ka bumalik, balik mo na rin siya. Tignan mo, andito ka na. kasi you're not putting it back at the right moment. So yan ang technicalities mo na ulit. Mas mahirap na dito kasi nga maraming corners. Si freeway mo, madali lang yun kasi diretso lang yun. Let's go, keep right, we go straight, please. Madali na lang yan kasi it's all about practice na. Marunong ka na mag-drive. Okay, hide the line. Yan, yung mga technicalities yan. Pag mag-exam ka na, yan ang tinitignan na examiner mo. Hindi niya tinitignan kung gaano ka kagaling mag-drive. Basta alam mong i-follow yan, you're always on your correct lane, ipapasa ka nila. Kasi sasabihin nila sa'yo, oh, you will be a very good driver once you get to drive more often. Pero for the meantime, yan ang kailangan nila sa'yo. Marunong ka sa mga situational awareness, how to follow rules. Let's go straight.